Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanika. Today we are going to do sort of a review and first impressions video. I have created this look using some new products which I have just purchased from Nykaa, and there are some cool products which I have tried, so I wanted to try these products with you guys. So I thought to record it in a video and share my reviews with it. With the new products, I do have some products which I've been using from quite a while, and I want to share my reviews about those products with you guys because those products are really good. Also, the products which I'll be talking about are mainly base products. So if you want to know how I created this eye makeup look, I will be posting a tutorial video soon. So keep a track on that. So for that, you can click on that subscribe button and hit that bell button so that you can receive the notification whenever I'll be posting the tutorial on this eye makeup look. If you want to know how these products actually worked onto the screen, then please keep on watching. So we'll start off with moisturizing our face, and for that I will be using Indulgeo's Wonder Gold Oil. Indulgeo have sent me samples for this oil. I believe it is not yet out, but this is absolutely an amazing facial oil. It has gold flexes in it which does get absorbed into the skin very nicely. I'm going to heavily moisturize my face today because the foundation we are going to try on today is a real heavy duty foundation, so I don't want any dry patches or any dryness on my face. Whenever you are prepping your skin for makeup, make sure you are giving it at least a 30 seconds massage, so just get all the glow back and all the blood back to your face. Moving on to the primer, currently I am using the Loreal Base Magique primer. I have been using it, I've used it later as well, but currently I am absolutely obsessed with this primer, and I love how it makes my pore look like it blurs them out completely. So I'm just gonna put it little bit wherever I've got maximum pores. Also, please excuse whatever background noise is there, it's too noisy out here. So I have blended the complete primer into my skin, and it's a really thick primer, and I absolutely love how it blurs out all my pores and lines. Moving on to the foundation, today I'm going to try the new Huda Beauty Fox Filter foundation. These are recently launched on Nykaa and I got my hands on it. These retails for $29.90, 3,000 approximately, and you get 35 ml product in it. I have ordered the shade Amarati. The package arrived yesterday, and I did swatch the foundation. I absolutely love the texture and finish of it. Everything is perfect about this foundation. There's just one thing which you need to keep in mind, that this foundation oxidizes really badly, like real bad, you can't even imagine. I did order shade Amarati. It was perfect for my skin tone, but because it oxidizes, it makes my face look like 1 to 2 shades darker. So if you are planning to order the Huda Beauty foundation, make sure you are ordering 2 to 3 shades lighter, so that when it oxidizes, it actually meets your skin tone. So apart from that, I absolutely love this foundation. So I haven't tried it yet on my face, so let's see how it performs. I am just going to take one pump at the back of my hand, and I have before ordering this foundation, I did heard a lot of reviews about it. I did see a lot of reviews about it, and I saw that the best way to apply this foundation is with a beauty blender. So this is from Nykaa, Nykaa's blender. So I'm just And the other thing which I've noticed about this foundation is that it dries up really quickly, so I'm going to work in like small parts of my face. I'm just going to take some. As you can see, currently it is absolutely a perfect match for my skin tone. Going to use the same foundation to cover my dark circles and see how it works. Well, it did a pretty good job in hiding my dark circles, as you can see. So for the first impression, I can see the shade match is really good. So if you are my skin tone, I'm NC35 in MAC and I have got a neutral undertone. This shade, which is Amarati 310G, would go perfectly for you guys. And as it does oxidizes, but I don't see a lot of difference in the shade, in the shade change on the face. However, on hand it shows a lot of difference. I'm not sure if you guys can make out. I am pretty happy with my foundation. It has dried down it is completely transfer proof. I don't feel any heaviness on my face and it has given me a perfect coverage which I look for. So and the next thing which I am trying for the first time is the Fashion Bro from Maybelline. I was using their Bro Duo, I believe in the shade grey, and I absolutely love that stuff. It has a powder and a pencil on one end, and I wanted to try something different, so I ordered their cream pencil. So let's see how it works. And it's done. It was really easy to do my brows with it, and it has given me a perfect natural look, like not too heavy and not too light. It was just perfect, and the shade matches perfectly with me. So my first impression is I absolutely love this brow pencil. This has given me a very natural yet defined brow look. Is going to be my next favorite brow product. So the next thing which I ordered is the new Age Rewind. It's not new. The Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. I wanted to try this concealer from a long time, but I already had a lot of concealers with me, and as I don't do makeup on regular basis, it just doesn't make sense to me to get like all the stuff in my vanity which I'm not gonna use. So, and as if you guys are following me or following my videos from past some time, then you guys know that I'm really obsessed with my ColourPop concealers. They are absolutely amazing, and as I'm going to finish them up, I ordered a new one with me, this time the Maybelline Age Rewind. I have ordered this in shade light. You can get this from Nykaa or any store. Currently Nykaa has going to 30% sale on Maybelline, so you can get it from there. So its tip is really soft. Today I'm going to clear up my the brow area and highlight with this concealer, and let's see how it goes with this foundation. I'm just going to blend all this up using my blender, starting off with the edges. So with the texture, I can feel it is very lightweight. It is not feeling heavy at all under my eyes, and as you can see, it has immediately highlighted my face. And to set my under eyes, I am going to use the Wet n Wild duo. This is in the shade Dulce De Leche. This is really pigmented. I will just set all the areas where I have put on the concealer. I absolutely love how my face is looking perfectly highlighted. To contour, I am going to use the same palette, like the same duo, and I'm using my usual brush. And okay, well, this is a very nice bronzing shade for me, not a contour but a bronzing shade. To blend in this contour, I'm just going I have not ordered any new eye product or any new lip product, so I'm just going to complete the rest of my face and I'll be back. I'll share final reviews on these products. Hey guys, I'm back after completing my full face. I have recorded a tutorial on this eye makeup look which I'll be posting soon, so to keep a track of that. And for my highlighter, I have used the Nika 24K highlighter, and on my lips I'm wearing the Colourpop double scoop. You'll have all the details in the next video which is coming up. Coming back to the products we have used to create this base. Starting from the beginning, I absolutely love the Indulgeo Wonder Gold Oil. I felt this is perfect for your skin. My skin doesn't look cakey, although we have put on a very thick foundation, dry matte foundation, but my face is not looking cakey at all, and my base has settled, like it's like perfect, looking perfect onto my skin. Talking about the foundation, I absolutely love this foundation and I don't think it has oxidized that much onto my skin. The texture is really nice. It doesn't feel heavy at all on my face, although I can see some dryness around my mouth, but this is a heavy foundation, heavy full coverage foundation, so we can definitely expect these things from it. The texture wise, I have not set it with a powder, so it is completely dry and matte, and it is transfer proof. I'm getting nothing on my hands. I absolutely loved its texture. The only thing was that it oxidizes, but I don't think it oxidizes much on the face. So this is my favorite foundation now. I think I'll be using it a lot more. if you want to get your hands on the Huda Beauty Fox Filter foundation, you can definitely get it, but make sure you are getting a shade or two lighter so that in case it oxidizes, it matches your skin tone. The other product which we used was the Wet n Wild contouring palette duo in Dulce De Leche. I absolutely love the texture of the products. It's very smooth and silky, and as you can see, I have contoured and highlighted my face using it. I have not baked it, and let me see. I have not baked my under eyes. I've just set it with this powder and it worked perfectly well. There are no creases, or like the powder or concealer has not settled in my lines, so it's a plus point. I think I'll be using it again and again for my first impression or review. It's a really good product. If you want to get your hands on a contour and like on a duo like this is a perfect product. Moreover, it's not that very pricey. I'm not sure how much, I'm not sure about the price, but I'll mention everything in the description box or somewhere on the screen, so you can check that out. The other product which we used was the concealer. I absolutely love the concealer. Its consistency, it's not thick or it's not drying my under eyes. It highlighted my face like a dream. I absolutely loved the way it looked on my skin. The last product which we used was the Fashion Bro Cream Pencil in shade Grey by Maybelline. I used it for the first time and I absolutely loved how it made my brows look. These are well defined yet soft, doesn't giving it a very made up look. So I absolutely loved it. I think I can use it for daily, for daily purpose. It was really affordable on the price front, I guess. As the sale is going on Nykaa, I got this somewhere around 150, 160. Again, I will mention all the things in the description box, so do check that out. This was it for this time. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up. Also, please let me know what other sort of video you guys want to see in the comment section, and I would love to do that. And do not, before leaving, do not miss to click on that subscribe button and hit that bell button. I'm soon going to put a video, like a tutorial video on this eye makeup look, so you'll be notified if you click on that bell button whenever I'll be posting that video. If you want me to review any other product, any skincare or anything, then do let me know in the comment sections. I would love to have your review. I would love to have your suggestions. And yeah, this is it for this time. Thank you. Bye bye.